right, back here on the Wagyu. Dun-dun. Ken's 66 Country Sedan Wagon. Working on routing the AC as we were the other day. I do have the 45 here for the low side. Got that in and crimped. Gonna work on routing that. The hard 90-degree splice should be delivered today, actually, for this, hopefully, so I can get that routed. And we do have a bulkhead coming for here, which is gonna be perfect. I have more number 6 hose coming as well, and our extended 90 for here is coming as well today, so I can get that done, finished, get this ready. And basically, once all that stuff is here, I can have everything routed into the firewall. Then we can move on and do the other side, which isn't going to be the funnest part. I think I do need to fab a plate to mount our bulkhead to, but it's not going to be too bad. So, continuing on, Xander's going to finish up the 2 other brackets here for the condenser and get those pulled and painted and prepped and nice. Get that done, get this stuff routed. And we're looking good. We're styling today. And then we'll move on to the exhaust here momentarily as well.